Welcome back to Primetime News.
And a special welcome to our viewers on OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first this evening, an exclusive interview with one of the victims of Sunday's brazen attack in Maypen, Clarendon.
The woman who was held hostage is calling for a strong response from the security forces.
TVJ's Dwayne Anderson has been tracking this story and now reports.
Sunday, May 26, a day the operators, staff and customers of one Maypen-based supermarket will never forget. After they were robbed, held hostage, threatened, used as human shields against flying bullets, and temporarily kidnapped. One of the operators who spoke exclusively with TVJ News recalled Sunday's brazen heist. It was a very difficult interview for her.
We're sorry for everybody and police. Until now, everybody still not feel good. All these are happen. All these are come from.
Like the others who experienced the ordeal, she said she was afraid, so she did not say anything about the attackers. In addition, her patois and English are not very good, so she struggled to find the words to express what she wanted to convey. But she was clear on one thing.
We are do business in the Jamaica, it's okay, but we're not feeling safe. Maypen need a Jojo like Moby, Spanish town, then place then.
Just 2 days later, it seems as if the people are just moving on with their lives. In fact, the business place that was robbed on Sunday reopened the very next day. But one group that is not just moving on is the local authorities.
It's as if almost everybody has a gun now or access to a gun. That's a fact. So guns are coming in from all different angles into the parish and into the island on a whole. So it's what we do about trying to stop the guns that are coming in and addressing and how to get rid of the guns that are in the hands of these people. Apparently they were looking at the other areas that they were trying to cauterize, trying to address the other parishes. But I think it's time now, yes, for Clarendon to be looked at and to put in some enhanced security measures.
Until the security chiefs decide when Clarendon will get an enhanced security measure, the authorities in Maypen, including the police, are enforcing their own measures. For the local leadership, lawlessness is what bred Sunday's heist and shootout. So they say they will be reclaiming the public spaces in the town, now overtaken by vendors as well as taxi and bus operators. On Tuesday, they did a walkthrough, putting the vendors and transport operators on notice. While in Maypen Tuesday, we also noticed a number of police and soldiers on patrol. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.